Hey you guys, this is Mariana with Trenches Deep Decor. Thanks for tuning in tonight. I am coming to you on New Year's Eve, getting ready to leave 2018 to go into 2019. I'm so excited to come to you guys tonight to talk with you about some goals that we're going to set for this year. And let's see what we're going to do for this decor plan. I'm about to paint my nails and we're just going to do some girl chit chat. And I just want you to go along with me and just be here with me while doing my nails in my bathroom. I'm getting ready for a little date night with NetFlicks, and I'm getting ready to take a little break tonight after the new year, and we're going to watch a Netflix movie. I'm thinking about watching The Bird Box tonight, so if y'all are not familiar with that movie, it's been a popular movie that everyone's been talking about. I want to do like a review on it probably tomorrow when I come back in again to kind of let y'all know what I liked about it and what I didn't like about it. But back to our new year, I'm going to be doing some new decor coming up. I'm going to be showing you my bathroom. I also will be showing you my bedroom, what I've updated and did to it. If you're looking at this paint color behind me, I created that paint color at Home Depot. I've also created this picture behind me on a DIY project. So, and the flowers and stuff came from Dollar Tree. So don't forget to go and shop Dollar Tree for the new beautiful flowers that they got out right now. It looks so pretty. So back to what I was saying, you know, as far as our new year is concerned, I want to meet a goal this year, and my goal is to have my own business with decor, doing staging. I want to open my own staging business, so I've been working on that, and I'm also working on my daughter's business as well. She is getting ready to have a nice business, and I have like a lot of business ideas that I want to incorporate to her. So I just wanted to come to y'all and talk to y'all and just chit chat with y'all and see what y'all got going on for the 2019. I'm so excited for 2019. A lot of us didn't make it in 2018, so we want to just love our families and be there, you know, for our families through rough times, friends, lost loved ones as well. So I just want to come to y'all and let y'all know I'm going to pop in the new year with you guys, and we're going to have some wine tonight. I'm drinking me some wine tonight. This is Moscato, but this is Wink and Owl Moscato. And this is one of the champagne sparkling wine that I'm going to pop open tonight. That is the CAVA, and it's so good. So, but what I'm drinking on now is Wink and Owl Moscato. So you might want to try that. I got it at Aldi's. Aldi's has some great brands of wine that you can get. I got it for $2.89. You will not believe. I'm telling you. You can get really good, expensive tasting wines for less, you know. I really don't like to lose out on the expense on the wine, but when I found a good one, then I'll go ahead and pay that minimum price that I paid for that wine, because I know it's a good wine. And a lot of the stores are trying to restock with different liquors and stuff. So me personally, you can get them at a good discount on or after the holidays. So another place to go is the 99-cent store for wine and different holiday gifts and things of that nature. So if you're gifting someone something for the new year, like, you know, anniversary parties, birthdays, things of that nature, you know. Back to what we were talking about our goals. My goal is, like I said, is to open my own staging business, to have clients that I can do a lot of staging for. Right now, I'm just working with minimal realtors at this time. I'm not working with a whole lot of realtors. I've just got a select few that I work with. And I'll be starting up again after January. I took a break and kind of started this YouTube channel so I can start getting more clientele up. So I'm very excited about my new journey on YouTube, and I'm also excited about showing y'all the decor that I put together. I'm so glad and thankful that y'all have came into the new year with me. And 2019, like I said, a lot of people didn't make it through 2018. So hopefully y'all keep your goals set at a maximum, because you want to live for the great expectations. Because a lot of people don't live for great expectations, when to me, eternal life is looking forward in your future, and eternal death is looking in your past when it comes to a spiritual side of it. So normally I would probably be in church today and bringing in the new year, but I'm at home right now with my family and just being a family person and being a mom right now and just having some good times with my family. These are the most memorable and remarkable times that you can have with your family. So the best thing to do is just kind of chill out sometime and not so much go out and do all the extra things. Me personally, I probably would have been going out tonight, but because I'm changing my life, changing my lifestyle up, I am kind of being in a stay-home mom mode. So if y'all ladies can understand that, that would be very, very, very nice, because a lot of people like to go out on New Year's, and it's just so much trouble and worries to go out on New Year's, and then you got to pay for tables and things of that nature, and when you're going to the clubs, and it's just, you know, it's something that you really, really have to plan when you're going somewhere. Me personally, I would probably be in Vegas right now if I had my rathers, you know. I wouldn't be at home or going to a club. I would probably be in Vegas or having a really good time somewhere out of town. So that would be my great idea of bringing a new year in. So even going to New York would be nice. So I'm just trying to let y'all know that when we're on this channel, we're going to try to keep it popping. We're going to bring out new things to the channel. We're going to try to, you know, get some new things going and try to bring some new decor in. Just new effects, new appeals, new everything, something that's fresh and vibrant, you know, things that are just not always the same. You know, me, I'm kind of like a it girl. Yes, a it girl, I guess you would call the it factor, you know what I'm saying, the one that does things out of the box. You know, my style is probably like, when I think of my style, I'm thinking that maybe like a glam rustic type feel, but I have a lot of Spanish content that I like to bring, a lot of Italian, a lot of mixed cultures, because I do have a lot of mixed cultures inside me. So I'm just kind of expressing some of those attributes. I've dealt with a lot of things, and I know how to put things together, because sometimes class is just in you. You sometimes are born with class. You don't have to learn class or things like that. So me personally, I personally feel like that I was born with class. My mother and father were older parents when they had me, so I'm just really, really just loving how my mom used to put things together. She would put makeup together and, you know, go and do Mary Kay and things of that nature, you know. And she also was a hard-working woman, you know. She worked for air company with LTV Airlines, or aerospace, I should say. Not airlines, but aerospace. But my father, his background was like singing, and, you know, he would work for the post office and things of that nature. So he was a mail carrier. So my mom and dad grew up with a lot of class. I call them the black and white era. And I'm a 70s baby myself, so I'm kind of you know, groomed into all the eras that we have gone through. So I'm so excited to just bring new content to you and bring a little bit of, you know, charm and character. You know, me, I like homes with charm. I like homes with character. I love home with sophistication, chicness, things of that nature, you know. And I love to make a home beautiful. Me, my family is like, how do you do it with all of those children? And me personally, I've always thought of, really have no clue of how I do it. So I just like, you know, I just tell them that, hey, you know, I'm just blessed to be able to be the type of mother that I am, and I'm just so thankful to God that He has blessed me to be that type of mom. So I just want my kids to be raised with good, you know, things that I have, you know, incorporated into my life that my mom and dad passed down to me. As far as the culture is concerned, I'm just so thankful that my kids will one day be able to do these things on their own. And actually say, Mom, thank you for, you know, showing us how to do things. So I'm just so thankful and grateful to my children. You want to teach your kids so they can learn how to do these things. That way they'll always, you know, have things on point when you come over there to visit their home, you know. You want your kids to, like I say, to have mother with, father with, street sense, book sense, and common sense. So those are the main things that you want to teach your kids. Sometimes fathers are not in the home and you have single parents. Me, unfortunately, I am with someone right now that supports me and has been with me for quite some time now. So I'm so thankful and grateful to my fiance that we are, you know, working together, trying to get things together so the kids can have a family life and things of that nature. So me personally, like my goals and stuff for my children is to have them, you know, be very, very intelligent in doing things. I have one daughter who's trying to learn Korean right now. So I just have different kids that have different talents. I'm just so excited because God has really, really blessed me with kids that have great talents. I don't even have to put my talents off in them or put my, you know, belief system off on them about how I feel about my goals in life, because I can still accomplish some of those things that I would like to do on my own without having to channel those things through my children. So my children have their own talent. So I'm just so thankful that God has blessed me to have children that have goals like that. So we are, you know, just really, you know, coming to the end of this 2009. I'm just so excited. This wine is so good. You know, we're going to go to Home Goods this year coming up. I have been meaning to go to Home Goods. I've been meaning to go to At Home and things of that nature, you know. I had some problems with my vehicle, so I've had to, you know, wait till I can get my vehicle running the way I want it to be running, and spend more time into the maintenance and things of that nature on my vehicles. So I am just going to take time and go to Home Goods and At Home when I get a chance, you know. But I'm not going to rush myself. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And in the meantime, we're going to do some other projects that we can do at home and kind of do some other things that going to be, you know, beneficial to you guys. I'm going to try to do a lot of more DIY projects. I'm going to try to do a little bit more, you know, how-to products, how-to videos. So I just want y'all to know that that's what we got planned for 2019. I'm so excited. I hope we can get our views and stuff going so others can see this cute content and beautiful decor that I'm trying to present to you guys. And I'm just so thankful to be on the decor channel with other decor parties and YouTubers. I love y'all's videos that y'all post, and I hope you love mine as well. I'm just so excited to just know that, you know, that I can just come to my channels and go through them and not only be a subby, but also be a YouTuber who can collaborate with others. So I'm just so thankful for that. I have taken, like I said, my time out to try to get some things going for this 2019, and I'm so excited. Cheers to you guys. I'm going to do some more goal setting. I'm thinking about doing me a goal board this year. I'm not too savvy about the goal board, but I kind of set my goals and then, you know, get them done. Virgos, we are kind of like, you know, eccentric when it comes to certain things. We'll kind of like do stuff at the spur of the moment, and it's never a dull moment with us. So we just continue on with what we're doing. We really don't set any, you know, plans, so to speak. We just kind of not go with the flow either. We just do our own thing, and then when it feels right, that's what we go with. So I'm just trying to let y'all know to have a happy new year. We're going to put this new year into focus, and I'm going to be focused in on a lot of things that has to do with my goals only this year. I am going to take some vacations. I'm going to take some trips around the world. I'm going to be doing a lot of things that I would like to do this year, and putting my family first, as well as my fiance, and my priorities as far as my goals are concerned. I'm thinking about trying to get some goals set where we can have a family vacation. We can go on a cruise or something. I'm just really, really excited about this year, and I cannot wait to see what God has in store for us. You know, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So you always have to prepare for that. Know that you always have to prepare for something or someone or something that is not going to happen or not going to make it throughout the year. So we just always try to prepare for the worst and the best, you know, because we have the good, the bad, and the ugly here on earth. So FYI, just keep in contact with Trenches Deep Decor. This is your decor channel. Y'all have a happy new year, and cheers to you guys. I love you guys. Do not forget to come back to Trenches Deep Decor in 2019 so we can keep this channel popping. Thank you, and have a wonderful new year. I'm so excited to just tell you guys Happy New Year's in 2019. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget that your girl Mariana is right here on this channel at Trenches Deep Decor. Mwah.